Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer or send your tokens from your Binance Exchange to your Binance Wallet or vice versa. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps. Then you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see there is wallet in the top. You can click it. And this is your Binance Wallet page. If you want to transfer a token, you can just click receive button here. And then you can choose receive tokens from Binance Exchange. And then you can choose the tokens. I will choose USDT. And then this is the network. I will choose BNB Smart Chain because this is the cheapest. So click continue. And then you can fill the amount. I will choose 11 and click withdraw and confirm. It will ask you to verify. After that, withdrawal processing, and we have to wait a little bit. As you can see, my USDT just landed, and if you want to send it back to your Binance Exchange, it's very easy. You can click asset in the bottom right corner here, and then you can click send here, and then you can choose the token USDT. Then you can choose Binance deposit address. Click continue, and you can fill the amount. I will choose max. Click continue and click confirm. Confirm, verify it, and it's done. It will send to your Binance Exchange. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.